Want to dropship private label coffee? I've used Dripshipper, and this review covers my experience. Find links in the description. Dripshipper is a dropshipping platform built for selling private label coffee. It's perfect for entrepreneurs wanting a custom coffee brand with hands-off fulfillment. I'll cover its key features, who it's best for, and what to consider before using it. A standout feature is private label branding. Customize packaging with your logo for a truly personalized product line. It's ideal for building a recognizable coffee brand. From bag designs to labels, Dripshipper makes creating a premium product easy. It integrates seamlessly with Shopify, automating product listings and order fulfillment. Add coffee products with professional descriptions and high-quality images instantly. Dripshipper handles roasting, packaging, and shipping directly to your customers. Fast US shipping is another advantage. Orders typically ship within 3 to 5 business days, ensuring fresh coffee and happy customers. This speed and product quality encourages repeat business. Dripshipper's coffee quality is exceptional, with diverse blends and flavors from premium beans. Whether targeting casual drinkers or connoisseurs, there's a product for your audience. Built-in analytics track orders, monitor preferences, and optimize your offerings. The platform's subscription cost is higher than general drop shipping tools. However, the private label options, fast fulfillment, and high-quality coffee make it worthwhile for those serious about the coffee niche. Dripshipper is excellent for entrepreneurs wanting a private label coffee brand with minimal effort and high-quality fulfillment. Its branding options, automation, and product quality make it a top choice. Check the links below to explore Dripshipper and see if it fits your business goals. This review should help you decide if Dripshipper is right for your dropshipping journey.